Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 Days of Halloween, I'm doing Mystique from XMen. I did this look a few years ago, but it was before I did my 13 Days of Halloween, so I wanted to try and recreate it and just make it better. So I wanted to make her markings 3D, so I took a hot glue gun and some parchment paper and just did the designs, and here that's what I'm doing, is just gluing them on with some spirit gum. Went ahead and put my shirt on because I didn't want to mess anything up. Plus, I do have to paint my neck and chest, and that way I'll know how far down to go on my chest. So here I'm just using my airbrush gun to paint myself blue. I thought that would be a little bit easier and better than using paint, because my luck, I would go over the little markings and they would probably all fall off. So this is a lot easier, but I feel like it's a little bit more time consuming because I have to do so many layers, and it's actually pretty hard to airbrush yourself. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to be spraying and spraying and spraying some more. Now I'm just taking a black eyeliner and lining my lower waterline, and then I'm going to take a paintbrush and go in underneath my eyes and go as close to my eyes as I can. And my under eyes are a little wrinkly, and you can see that with the airbrush, so I'm just going to smooth that out as well. So in some pictures she has black brows, some she has red. I decided to go with red because I am going to be using some hairspray to paint mine red, and I wanted them to match. So here I'm just taking some red paint because I don't really have any true red eyeshadow and I wanted them to be pretty red. I think her markings are black, but I liked how the blue looked, but I did want to add some dimension, so I'm just taking some black eyeshadow and going around the edges. But I did end up adding some more black eyeshadow on top, but I think that looks better than if I would have used paint to paint the whole thing. As you can see, I now have red hair, and now that my hair is done, I'm going back in with my airbrush and going over my hairline because it was a straight line from where my headband was. So I just want to make sure everything is nice and blended together. And then I'm going to go over my face one more time just to make sure everything is nice and even. But that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other Halloween looks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow for my next video.